Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll share with you the FeedMe Connect, the referral program. Referral program means that when your customer refer their friends or family come and spend it at your restaurant, either your customer will get the rewards or both will get the rewards. Thank you.
Log into your FeedMe portal, then go to Connect. After that, go to Referral. So from here, how it works, first you can generate link for your member. After that, you can set what reward they are giving to them if your referee join them. Referee, is it meet criteria or not? And last, the referral gets the rewards. Okay, first, set up your terms and conditions first. You can upload as a PDF. After that, just click Save. Then you can click on Manage Reward. This one means that either the referral can get the reward or the referee get the rewards. So, same theory apply in the voucher. Go to Click Reward. So you can set your name. So in this case, I'm using my setting. So let's say referral reward, and you can select as a voucher or loyalty, which means give to the existing customer. Then the loyalty type can add on credit or add experience, point or others. Then in this case, I put only 3 ringgit off as a voucher. So I put a description. Means that 3 ringgit off for each new customer referral. Then you can insert your voucher image. You can put a discount which is the 3 ringgit with the minimum spending of 4 ringgit. Or you can put a setting like this. You can set by your own. But in my case, I put 3 ringgit discount with minimum spending for 4 ringgit. After that, you can set is it able to transfer to others, or maximum how many per user or maximum distribute, and how many user count, and will it expire or must be using within a date or within how many days. So for me, I'll put unlimited. After that, you can set is it all location or only your own outlets only. After that, just click Confirm. Then you can click Update All or for the future voucher only. So I click Update All. Once you create, when the referee join, click on here. This turn on means that they will get this reward. After that, just click Save. Then the referee, when they join, if they're able to get the reward, then you need to manage the criteria. Let's say example, you need to spending or giving the feedback for others. You can set by your own. Like the condition, spending how much or buying something, and you can set by your own. Or buying certain item as well. But in this case, I just left it blank. Then the referral will get the rewards. The referee will get the rewards. Then for the referral, okay, very simple. You can click Add Referral here. So you can target, is it for all audience or for some members or for custom audience, and you can set by your own, like a certain birthday, a certain tier, a specific title. But in this case, I've created a referral tier that's made by my own. Just click Submit. I can set it. If I minimum give 1 until 5 referral, I'll get this reward. And you can add count which is more than 6, because there's all 1 to 5, right? More than 6 until 10, they will get another referral reward, which is you can create from here. So if you want to send your outlet link to your customer, very simple. Go to Setting, then click Setting. After that, in My Business, select your own outlet. You can customize your restaurant URL, like change to your own outlet, or just leave it blank. It will have a default link. Just click Copy. So you can share to your customer. Then it will show like this. Customer can click Join Member and join it. Once you log in, if you want to share the link for the referee, click on your account, then invite friends. Now you can copy the link and share to your friends. When you click the link and sign up or do the spending, then they will get the criteria, then you will get the reward and the referee as well. You can set by your own, maybe different reward for the referee and different reward for the referral as well. If someone refer to you, just key in their referral code will do. Then the more invite, the more reward you get. The referral tier depends on this you have created. And you can check on your invite history, like how many friends have signed up. If you can read more, you can click here and study. And these are terms and conditions that you upload as a PDF just now. For more details, you can refer to this QR code or this link for more detailed notes. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari POS system, cari Aseng.
Find Guinness Post, find Aseng.
Aseng.
找POS system,找Aseng.